Up until recently, plants were thought to be the most passive living organisms. But, as it turns out, we were very wrong. With our five senses, we never even noticed that plants possess many, many more and are absolute masters of communication. In Greenhouse Silent Disco, you will hear and see plants talk. This installation is a space where science and art merge in an interspecies dialogue. It illustrates research into photosynthesis by the renowned plant physiologist Professor Kalaji of Warsaw University of Life Sciences. As he discovered, it is a key to understanding the language of plants. To recap the essential elements of this process, our models will be plant habitats, with the chlorophyll contained in their leaves playing the leading role. Plants receive energy from the sun, usually more than they require. This excess is released through a complex mechanism that results in fluorescence, or the re-emission of absorbed light. If we observe the changes that occur by measuring fluctuation of standard chlorophyll fluorescence signal values, we can determine how our plant stars are feeling today and what they wish to tell us about their immediate environment. Based on this research, Professor Kalaji devised an innovative system to monitor plants' needs, which in turn inspired the curators, Michał Duda and Małgorzata Dewór-Zuber of the Museum of Architecture in Wrocław, to create the Greenhouse Silent Disco installation. It takes the form of a plant-filled greenhouse, sparkling with colored LEDs. Digital sensors hooked up to computers monitor and record signals emitted by the plants, allowing you to discover how they react to your presence, touch, sound, and changes in temperature and light intensity. The Greenhouse Silent Disco installation visualizes the subjectivity of nature, endowing it with a voice in this time of global environmental crisis. But are we prepared to listen?